today we are covering the benefits. We are covering the benefits of letting go of limiting beliefs, and also how to let go of limiting beliefs. So the how, which is the most important part. So now you've realized you have limiting beliefs, maybe from religion, from culture, from society. An example of a limiting belief from culture may be we don't marry from a different, maybe tribe or a different religion or something of that nature. That may be a limiting belief. So how do you overcome such beliefs? Number one, awareness. You cannot solve something you don't know you have an issue with. That's the bottom line. So number one, being aware that you have a limited belief in a certain area is the number one thing of all.